Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhavika Bali, Assistant Professor, School of Management, BMN Munjal University. Today I am here to discuss about my recently published case with Ivy Publishing and with now featuring on the Harvard Business Review. Nirulas, a made in India brand. What went wrong with this brand is what we are trying to understand through this case study. In our case, we have tried to present a detailed consumer analysis of the problems which led to vanishing of the brand value of Nirulas from Indian market. There are many QSR giants now which the young Gen Z is able to identify with. After conducting a thorough consumer analysis, in our case, we have tried to touch base upon the financial problems, the constant restructuring issues, the strategic problems as well as the human resource constraints which the brand Nirulas faced. In our teaching notes, we have tried to present around 4 to 5 questions where the classroom instructor can have an in-depth discussion with MBA and BBA students about what can be done in order to make this brand more relevant for Gen Z. Millennials sure have a high recall value of the brand, but Gen Z, which constitutes 60% of the consumer base now, has no association with brands Nirulas. It could have been a QSR giant, it could have been a made in India brand. But what is it that the brand needs to consider now and move ahead? This case study is very relevant for discussions in marketing as well as strategy classrooms. Moreover, this case study is not just for classroom learning. If you are running a family-owned business or if you want to start up a new venture in India, this case can give you important insights into understanding what Indian customers value and what is it that you should bring in on the table as a USP for your brand.